The Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover Car, a revolutionary solution for all your vehicle's minor imperfections. Whether it's light scratches, there are many products available to choose car scratch remover. Each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car scratch remover from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Carfident Black Car Scratch Remover. Introducing the Carfident Black Car Scratch Remover, the ultimate solution for restoring the beauty of your dark-colored vehicle. Specifically formulated for black and dark paint, this kit effortlessly tackles light scratches, swirls, and marks, revitalizing your car's appearance. Made from high-quality aluminum, carbon steel, and metal, it guarantees durability and effectiveness. Restore your vehicle's shine and gloss with the included buffer pad and specially formulated compound, removing water spots, oxidation, and contaminants with ease. The professional-grade chemicals ensure top-notch performance without unnecessary dyes or scents, making it safe for both your car and the environment. Whether you're a professional detailer or an enthusiastic car owner, Carfident promises satisfaction. Made in the USA with a focus on quality, each product undergoes rigorous testing to meet the highest standards. Experience the difference with Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover, the perfect companion for preserving your car's pristine finish. Say goodbye to imperfections and hello to a flawless shine with Carfident. Number 2. Megears Plastics Clear Plastic Polish. Experience the brilliance of Megears Plastics Clear Plastic Polish, a fast and efficient solution for restoring clarity to a variety of clear plastic surfaces. Perfect for headlights, taillights, soft-top windows, and more, this fine grit micro-abrasive polish effortlessly removes scratches, cloudiness, yellowing, and oxidation, rejuvenating your plastics to like new condition. Crafted with a rich gel formula, Plastics penetrates both rigid and flexible plastics, swiftly eliminating light defects and grime. Its advanced technology not only cleans, but also provides lasting protection against future damage, thanks to water-resistant polymers. This versatile product can be used alone or as a refill with Megears headlight restoration kits, offering convenience and versatility. With easy application instructions, restoring clarity to your headlights or other clear plastic surfaces is a hassle-free task. Trust Megears Plastics to enhance visibility, safety, and the overall appearance of your vehicle, making clear plastics clear again with just one simple step. Number 3. Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover Car. Introducing the Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover Car, a revolutionary solution for all your vehicle's minor imperfections. Whether it's light scratches, swirls, or other blemishes, this kit is your ultimate remedy. With its specially formulated compound and included buffer pad, restoring your car's paint to its former glory has never been easier. Not just a scratch remover, this product acts as an ultimate paint restorer, bringing back the gloss and shine of your vehicle's finish, while eliminating water spots, oxidation, and other contaminants. Crafted with premium chemicals and devoid of unnecessary dyes or scents, it ensures a professional-grade result with every use. What sets it apart is its versatility, safe for all paint colors and types, including clear coat, single-stage, or multi-stage paints. Made in the USA, Carfident guarantees satisfaction, standing by its product with a full refund if you're not 100% satisfied. Experience the ease of eliminating scratches and swirls, restoring your car's paint with Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover Car. Say goodbye to years of wear and tear, and hello to a refreshed, like-new appearance. Number 4. Ceramic Coating Top Coat for Cars. Fortified Quick Car Wax Polish. Introducing Shine Armor Ceramic Coating Top Coat for Cars, the ultimate solution for a quick and efficient car waxing experience. This 3-in-1 formula combines the power of a waterless wash, a protective coat, and a brilliant shine in one convenient spray. Say goodbye to streaking, smearing, or scratching with this gentle yet effective ceramic car polish. Its advanced formula effortlessly cuts through dirt, grime, and grease, leaving your vehicle with a pristine finish. Safe for use on all surfaces including automobiles, boats, RVs, and more, this spray-on wax utilizes cutting-edge SiO2 ceramic coating science for superior protection and shine. Not only does it provide a clear shield of defense, but it also enhances gloss, making your car look showroom ready. Compact in size, with dimensions of 9.65 x 3.35 x 2.4 inches, and weighing just 8 ounces, this product is easy to store and transport. Made in the USA by Shine Armor, it ensures quality and reliability. Upgrade your car care routine with Shine Armor Ceramic Coating Top Coat for Cars, and experience unparalleled results. Number 5. Turtle Wax 50935 Scratch Repair and Renew. Introducing Turtle Wax 50935 Scratch Repair and Renew, your ultimate solution for restoring your vehicle's paint surface to its former glory. Specifically designed to tackle fine surface scratches, swirls, and paint transfer, this advanced formula effortlessly revitalizes your car, truck, or motorcycle. With a safe application on all paint colors, including dark and light finishes, Turtle Wax ensures impressive results without damaging your vehicle's exterior. Formulated with protective resins, this product not only removes imperfections, but also seals the repair, providing a clear coat shine that lasts. Whether applied by hand using a microfiber towel or with a dual-action or orbital machine polisher, Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew guarantees easy application without the need for professional expertise. Follow the simple 3-step process for optimal results, and witness years of damage vanish in a single use. Restore your vehicle's paint with confidence, knowing Turtle Wax delivers permanent paint restoration with every application. Upgrade your car care routine with Turtle Wax 50935 Scratch Repair and Renew for unparalleled paint perfection. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more